Hello, welcome to CyberRealEstate. Back at with another episode. Doing a walk around the block, just an exercise, and doing our YouTube video, get some multitasking in. So let's get it. And let's see. Let's go to post chain trade. PDSN. 50,000. Post chain. Get 27 PDSN. Walk this out. Alright, 27 PDSN. Go ahead and stake that. And let's see, go to DBSN. And then let's go ahead and stake it. 27 PDSN. Go to that future grind. So to make $100 a day to the grind. Alright, there we go. That's our one transaction today for everyone on the blockchain. Grinding that crypto. So we now have 6,388 PDSN. And that concludes our episode of CyberRealEstate. You have a good day. Peace.